In the whisper of the wind and the roar of the fall, Curug Panganten stands as a timeless embrace between earth and sky. The water crashes not with force but with the elegance of the lover's touch, with the story of the passion that echoed through the forest. The twin waterfalls, like two souls intertwined casted together, their dance eternal, a statement to lovers' undying power. To me, like a field, strews the land, as if recorded a secret only a heart can understand. Every step closer to the sanctuary feels like stepping into a dream, where nature is reading home in harmony with your own heartbeat.